So this is the early 2020 Intel 13-inch MacBook Air base model i3 dual core, 256 gig storage, 8 gigs of RAM. It had been serving me decently well up until Monday last week, where it's probably dead on battery, where the bottom of the screen just decided to start flickering. It kept on giving me a headache, and yeah. So today I was just on the last sailing of this ship. That's why my hair's so awful. But this has arrived. This is my refurbished 15-inch M4 MacBook Air with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. So let's unbox it. Okay, so it's quite hefty, it's also quite big. So let's do the first peel. Here we go. There we go. So it's shipping box. So this was shipped over here from Australia. It's an Apple official refurbished, so it's basically like new, but for $600 cheaper. So this is quite the upgrade even compared to my PC. Okay, so here's what the box looks like. Here's the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So hopefully this will be my laptop for the next 5 or 6 years. Should be able to last that long. That's that. And then right. Okay, here we are. And that's it. So that is my new MacBook Air. Oh, I forgot to mention it's silver. I wanted to get sky blue, but they didn't have any, so wow, it's thin. Okay, so before we get to that, it comes with a 2-meter USB-C to MagSafe charger. Then there's all of the documentation. I don't think these come with Apple stickers, or do they? Yeah, so no Apple stickers. For the first time I've had an Apple product. And then here's our power brick. It's dual USB-C 35 watt. So the 15-inch isn't actually that much bigger in terms of dimensions than this one. There we go. There we go. It is starting. Couldn't tell that it wasn't brand new. Right, let's get this set up. I'm not going to set this up to take all of the data from that, because there's something that's taking up all of the storage on that I can't figure out. So I'm just going to do a completely clean install. And I'll set it up as new. You know, one thing about this, it's a really bad fingerprint magnet. I guess you get that with all metal laptops other than that. Okay, so I've got this all set up now. So let's unwrap the charger, and that'll be it. There we go, so that's our MagSafe charger. It's matched, the colour is matched to the laptop, and it is braided. Let's grab our power supply. That part's gone. And that part's done. So there we go. That is my new Mac. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hopefully I can get a review out soon, along with the Nothing phone and the Lenovo Tab M11. So yeah, see you guys next time.